Today I've got this €1/2. It's a brand new lock, this one. It's a 6-pin lock. It's a Securefast brand. I actually purchased this one from Toolstation. That's the bitting on the key for it. So it's got a nice big open keyway, this one. So I'm going to use a homemade tension tool and a pick brought off Amazon. Now these have got a bit of meat on them, but they're all right when you've got a big keyway like this. And there is security pins in this lock, so it's actually not too bad to pick. Like I say, having a big open keyway, you can use all sorts of picks in this one. Now it does drop into a full set, so there's certainly a couple of deep spools in here. Not gone into it yet. Let's check it. It's that front pin I'm normally stuck on. It's one of those locks as well, what makes a hell of a lot of noise when you're picking it. It's quite a sloppy lock as well, which also makes it a little bit tricky to pick. So I don't think it's very good quality. When it's that deep full set then, so I just need to get on that front pin. We get it open. So yeah, it actually puts up a fight, that does. A little 6-pin Securefast €1/2. Anyway, that's it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try it a bit.